Look at the nature behind around you, baby. It's beautiful.
So focused on my phone.
I'm Angel.
And I'm Shay.
And together we are A&S Evermore. Today, go ahead, you can take over. Go ahead.
So guys, today we decided to go to Red Rock Canyon.
Red Rock Canyon. There's a couple things we can do here. We could do what? Hiking.
Horseback riding.
Mountain climbing. Bird watching, and we can ride horses. I think I said that one. I said that one already. Yeah.
Okay.
So yeah, right now we're heading over to we've seen a cave. We're still like in the beginning where we park, but while walking up this little trail, we've seen a cave in the mountain over here. So we're gonna go check it out. See if we find anything good.
We might find a bear.
Bear. Bears beats. Battle. Galactica. Okay, let's look.
Cave. Get the view.
Not a cave? Let's go look. What is it? It's a little. We're
Oh, it's not a cave.
Oh, something sleeps there though. You going that night? Another trail.
A lot of walking.
A lot of walking. Excited about your hike?
Yes, I'm excited.
Excited? Look,
I can't wait
look
to
at
see
her
what's
fit
on
today.
the other side of this mountain.
She's looking way too fresh to be climbing these mountains.
You look fresh too. You're wearing 100 Thieves.
Oh, 100 Thieves. Shout out to 100 Thieves. Nate Shot hit me up.
Adidas.
Adidas hit us up. This just looks unbelievable. Damn, we just got here, dog. Time for the sandwiches. Look, babe. Get in this. You like it? Cozy. Okay. Alright, let's go see if there's something else. Huh? Okay, come on, baby. What are you doing?
Oh, babe, did you know that mule deer, raccoon, and black bear and the coyote, they live here?
We gonna find coyotes here?
Yeah.
And a black bear?
Isn't that pretty cool?
Yeah.
Look how huge this black bear is.
They get pretty big. Hopefully I can wrestle one.
The typical male weighs between 125 and 500 pounds. That's crazy.
I'll wrestle that bear.
You think you'll be able to take that bear, babe?
Yeah, if I had a freaking shotgun. No, I wouldn't do that to the bear. The bear is nice. I would feed the bear apples. That's why we brought apples to feed the bears.
Eat apples?
I'm pretty sure they'll eat anything, including your hand.
Bring it.
Okay, you don't hear it?
It's nice.
Dude, what you guys doing over there?
Sweater.
I thought we were invisible.
Yeah, I see a scarecrow over there.
It's a pretty decent area if you guys want a couple pictures.
Yes, come on.
Okay, since you want me to go, show back. So, fun fact of the day. Go ahead, baby.
Can you believe over 600 million years ago, the Red Rock Canyon changed from an ocean basin to a dry desert environment?
That's crazy. So this used to be a whole ocean?
Yeah.
So this is what the bottom of an ocean could look like if it was to dry up. That's later. Trails. It's crazy. Just a little while ago we saw someone up there rock climbing. That was pretty cool. I want to give it a try.
We should try it one day.
We should try that one day. I might just try it today. And they just have the minerals from inside the water, and it's just really good for your skin. Wow.
Need help?
Oh, okay, thank you.
Okay.
Is it lunchtime?
No. You guys hungry?
You want to take a break?
I think Gaines just wants us to hang.
We just started, man.
No, we can have a drink there.
Yeah, absolutely.
Let's get a drink. All right, we're done with our little lunch break. Little, you know, catching our breath and having a nice bite to eat.
Those sandwiches were so good.
They were. Trail.
I feel like I'm in the Lion King.
Feel like you're in the Lion King?
Yeah.
Where's Simba?
And Nala.
Take that way? Or the easy way? Wait, this is the easy way. Or the hard way?
This way. Oh, look at this view. So beautiful.
Oh, man. It is so nice up here.
Okay, yeah, I'm not gonna test.
This is a fun time. See that, guys? You gotta make sure you step in the right spot. This one too?
Woo, puppy suave.
Oh, I feel so much better. Sorry guys, I had to take off my shirt. Honestly, it's really hot. I'm sweating. I don't know how she's doing it with the sweat, but I can understand why she doesn't want to take that off, right?
Oh my gosh, it feels amazing outside.
It does.
Yesterday was freezing. Yesterday was 20 degrees.
Was it 20 degrees?
Yes, babe, it was 20 degrees.
Oh, it was like 23 degrees or 20 degrees.
Yeah.
But then we went on top of the mountain. That's when we were snowboarding, guys. That was yesterday. You've probably seen that video last Sunday. So make sure you go back and check it out if you haven't already.
Make sure you like and subscribe.
Yeah, like and subscribe to it. And to this one. Yeah. And then once we got to the top, it was just even colder. It was snowing and the wind was just blowing the snow right into your face.
The wind was so heavy yesterday.
Wow, I miss it. It was a lot of fun. But we're in the Red Canyon right now, right?
Yep, and today is a new day.
Today's a new day, so we're gonna enjoy this. We gotta remember, always enjoy the moment. Okay, guys? Like, you never know when we'll be back to do this type of thing again, or when we'll be back here. So you gotta savor every moment.
And make sure you're doing it with good people.
Yeah.
Or a good man.
And a good lady. I gotta say it.
Many things to tell her, but how to make her see the truth about my past. Impossible, she turned away from me.
He's holding back, he's hiding, but what I can't decide. Why won't he be the king I know he is, the king I see
You know, I like a challenge, so we already got pretty high up, right? But this is where I take over and I try to go as high as I can. I'm gonna try to go all the way to this top, follow this little narrow pathway we found in like part of the trail. Well, it's not part of the trail. It's like a little side thing, part of the trail. So I'm trying to go up this. Here you go.
Okay.
So as you can see, that's the trail right there. They left me because I decided to climb this rock and they want to get to their car. But look at the view. It's great. Babe. Hey. You're recording me and I'm recording you.
Babe,
What?
you are such a daredevil.
It's not that bad. I don't know why everybody's making such a big deal. This is not that bad, guys.
I don't think I could ever do that.
No. Don't ever say that. You can always do something as long as you put your mind to it. Remember that, guys. You know, people that think, you know, I can't do it. As soon as you get started and you actually see, it's not that hard. It's not, you know. And I know some people that, you know, they aren't fit and they're not, you know, used to doing physical activities. But I mean, you know, if this is something that you like and you strive to be, then you just gotta put the extra work in. You know, right? Gotta put the extra work in. And, you know, as Shay could tell you herself, you know, I've been putting in work at the gym, and it's just something that motivates me and makes me feel good. So, you know, knowing that I can come up here and not be so winded and everything that, like, I worked for that, you know? And it's like a little milestone, like something to be proud of yourself. It's not like really like, oh, that, you know, you're so cocky. No, it's not being cocky. It's just like, you know, I work towards that. So, you know, you gotta be proud of what you put your work, what you put the work in for. Right? So, yeah, it's a little something I have to tell you guys. Love you, baby.
I love you too. After that long speech.
It wasn't long.
It was long.
Hello, Spider-Man.
Guys, I'm gonna show you that I can even do it.
You go, baby.
Ah! I did it!
You go. You did that. That was high.
It was really high.
Right, you guys gotta put your mind to it, baby. You did it. Well, I think we found something else to show you guys.
Just when we thought we was done.
Just when we thought we was done. Look at this. Oh my God.
I feel like I can conquer the world.
You go, baby. Yeah. Okay, so this is the Red Rock open space map. See if it shows us where we are. It does not. Or if it does, I don't see it.
Oh, they're down there.
Get 'em.
Hey, wave your hands in the air. And wave it like you just don't care.
Let's see if this echoes into the thing. Make sure you subscribe!
And hit that like button!
See, there's someone rock climbing over here. These mountains don't really have too many ledges and stuff, so very impressive. That'll be kind of cool. I'll definitely try that one day. Yeah, that'll be a lot of fun. As long as I'm secure, have the right equipment, yeah, I'll do it.
You'll do everything.
So guys, we're at the end of the trail. We're back towards our car. And I hope you guys enjoyed this. We sure did. So if you like us and you want to see more of us, make sure you
subscribe to our channel, hit that like button, and feel free to leave a comment below.
Bye guys.
Go anywhere that you do. Put it all out in the open. No, we don't have to control it. Put it all out in the open. If it's only for a moment, it's a lifetime of a moment.